Hi everyone, this is your third lesson in Grade 4 Social Science. Today's chapter is Forest in India. Today we are going to recap your chapter 3 Forest in India. Forest. Forest also called woodlands are natural and largely undisturbed areas with thickly grown trees and small plants. Forests have existed on earth for millions of years. There are so many different kinds of plants, trees, animals, and insects in the forest and the earth that even today we do not know the names of many of them. Forest and environment. Forests provide a natural home to many animals and plants. Forests are very important for all living beings. They also play a major role in our environment. Trees in the forest help in purifying the air that all the living organisms need to breathe. They absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. For this reason, they are called the lungs of the earth. Forests also contribute towards rainfall. These leaves of the trees give out tiny drops of water into the air that form clouds and provide rain. With good rains, animals, plants, and human beings get enough water for growth. Forests control soil erosion. The roots of the trees hold the soil firmly. This keeps the topsoil in place and prevents it from being eroded under heavy rains. Therefore, forests help in soil conservation. Forests are habitats for wildlife. Forests are home to many kinds of wild carnivorous animals, grass-eating animals, birds, snakes, butterflies, insects, and tiny organisms that live under the soil. These animals make their homes on or under the plants and trees. Forests provide food and safety to the animals living there. Birds feed on the fruits and berries of different trees and plants in the forest. Things we get from forest. Though many of us live far away from forest, our daily lives are highly dependent on forest. We get different kinds of products from the forest. Some of these are timber, which is mainly used to build houses, furniture, and other wooden articles. Firewood, that is dried. Fallen wood obtained from trees used for cooking and heating purpose. Medicinal plants, which help us to cure many diseases. Bamboo for making paper, cardboard, and furniture. Honey, rubber, gum, raisins, and tamarind. Oil for the dried seeds of a few trees. Types of forest. India is a large country with regions having different landforms, climate, temperature, and rainfall, and soils, etc. Due to these differences, there are many different types of forest found in India. Let us learn about some of the major types of forest in India. Tropical evergreen forest, deciduous forest, tidal or mangrove forest, mountain forest, thorn forest. Tropical evergreen forest. Evergreen forests are found in regions that have high temperature and moisture. Moisture means rainfall throughout the year. Special features of tropical evergreen forest are these forests are also called the rainforest. These forests have dense and tall trees with broad green leaves. The forest floor is completely covered with small plants. These forests release large amounts of water in the air that results in good rainfall. Wildlife is abundant with a great diversity of animals, plants, and other organisms. In India, such forests are found in the southern parts of Western Ghats and the northeastern Himalayas. Deciduous forest. Deciduous forests are found in areas where the rainfall is medium. Special features of deciduous forest are trees in these forests shed their leaves for a few weeks during the summer when there is scarcity of water. This is to prevent the loss of water through the leaves. The main trees of these forests are teak, sal, sandalwood, mango, jackfruit, and banyan. These forests are found in the lower parts of the Himalayas. Tidal or mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are present in the regions where river water meets the sea. Special features of tidal forest are: these forests need saline water and warm temperatures to flourish. The trees have specialized aerial roots which remain above the waterline. These roots are specialized to filter out the salt from the seawater. Mangrove forests are important as they can form a barrier and protect the coastal areas from sea, storms and tsunamis. The Sundarbans along the Gangetic Delta is the largest tidal forest in the world. The name comes from the Sundari trees found in these forests. Mountain or Coniferous forest. Mountain or coniferous trees are found in hilly areas. Special features of coniferous forest are: these forests are covered with tall and cone-shaped trees and needle-shaped leaves. Oak, deodar, pine and chestnut are some of the important trees that are found in the Himalayan region such as Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh and parts of the Uttarakhand. These are also known as hill forest. Thorn forest. These forests are found in dry areas with very little rainfall. Special features of thorn forest are: trees in these forests are short and thorny and shed their leaves seasonally. Some of the trees of thorn forest are babul or bubble and keeker. Thorn forests are mainly found in the desert regions of Rajasthan. Temperature in the desert varies from 45 degrees in the summer to below freezing point in the winter. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you few questions for recollect our topic. Refer your workbook in the page number of 30 and 31 and answer the following questions. Those who have workbook completed it, others use your notebook. Shall I tell you first question? Your first question is: write 4 main features of mangrove forest. Write 4 main features of mangrove forest. Your second question is: describe the ways in which the deciduous trees adapt themselves to their surroundings in order to survive and grow. Describe the ways in which the deciduous trees adapt themselves to their surroundings in order to survive and grow. Your third question is: why are forests important for us? Give at least 4 points to support your answer. Why are forests important for us? Give at least 4 points to support your answer. Your fourth question is: why do you think forest conservation is important? Why do you think forest conservation is important? Your fifth question is: how are thorn forests different from coniferous forest? How are thorn forests different from coniferous forest? I hope that you all enjoyed our today's class. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.